In yet another initiative, we are beginning today AIU series on art, culture, and sports. And the beginning is being done with none other than Nritya Guru Dr. Sonal Mansingh ji. Welcome, Sonal ji, to our program, and thanks for accepting our request to talk to our university fraternity. Dr. Sonal Mansingh is was nominated by the Honorable President of India as member of Rajya Sabha in 2018 in recognition of her lifelong service in the field of art and culture. She is also the proud recipient of the second highest civilian award, Padma Vibhushan in 2003 and Padma Bhushan in 1992. Actually, she has dedicated her entire life in preserving the rich cultural heritage of India and was also nominated as the Navratna by the Honorable Prime Minister of India for the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Sonalji, before we come to the actual topic of the talk today, may I request you to tell our viewers as to how you entered the field of culture? Was it a childhood dream? Was it some inspiration which inspired you or which allowed you to go to such heights? Sonalji, please tell us what led you into the field of culture.
First of all, let me do my pranams to you, Pankaj. Pankaj means lotus. and, and to all your viewers and your colleagues. And thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity to share my ideas, my views, and my experiences. How I came to culture is a difficult question to answer, because I do believe that being Hindu, I believe in the cycle of births, Punarjanma. I must have done some good karma, maybe some leftover Amrapali or some such dancer. So in this birth, I had to complete that. Second, that the family environment matters a lot.
Yes.
Third, my Matrubhasha Gujarati, my complete school education in Gujarati medium school, which meant my immediate contact, my understanding and love for languages which are mine, Gujarati, Hindi, Sanskrit. Next, I would say that the celebration of festivals, Indian traditions, and lessons in Shastriya Sangeet, classical Indian Hindustani music, and in dance. All that was in school and also encouraged in my family, Gujarati family. Last but not the least, a family, my paternal family, my maternal family, all participated in the independence struggle, Azadi Ki Jang. They all went to jail.
Yes.
and the great renaissance of Indian arts was happening. I'm a pre-independence born girl. So I am a witness to the entire process that has brought India and me today at this point where we feel that art and culture are an integral part of life.
Thank you, Sonalji. Thank you. So you give credit to your Purv Janam and to your family traditions, which brought you to the culture. Actually, I met Sonalji about 10 years back when I invited Sonalji for delivering one Bhagat Phul Singh Memorial Lecture when I was Vice Chancellor of Bhagat Phul Singh Women University in Haryana. At that time, we were a bit apprehensive because we knew her as an accomplished artist. But as an orator, I had never heard her till that date. So we were a bit apprehensive, but when she came, when she spoke, and when she delivered the lecture, it was mesmerizing. She proved all of us wrong. It was so mesmerizing that all of our students were awestruck, and many of them were in tears. And the depth of her knowledge was really, really commendable. Sonalji, picking up a thread from there, when we talk of culture and rich cultural heritage of India, what exactly do you mean by culture or cultural values, and what is its importance in sustaining life? That is the topic of the talk today also, the importance of culture in sustaining life. So many of our students are confused. What do we mean by culture? Is it mere dance, music, or there is something else to culture? Please, Sonalji.
It's a wonderful question, Pankaj. And you're right, it is about time that we clear the cobwebs which are created by too much social media, too much of Google Master.
Yes.
I call it Google Acharya.
Google Guru.
Google Guru, Google Acharya, in the interventions from these machines and the kind of information download. So it's a very timely question. I have a little bit of a problem with the word culture, and I just wrote out before I joined you that Sanskriti is a word that we use. The English translation
Is culture.
is culture. Now, the problem arises in translation. I've written that Sanskriti ka Ingrezi anuvad, कल्चर किया गया है, लेकिन संस्कृति की सुगंध, उसकी निरंतरता का भाव कल्चर शब्द में नहीं आता। हम जो संस्कृति की बात करते हैं कि जो कृति यानी कार्य बना हुआ समरूपेण, balanced, in a balanced way, all the things that have been happening over millennia, वो जो बन बन के ideas, मूल्य, values, ideas, concepts, traditions कैसे बनती हैं, परंपरा जिसको कहते हैं, which is ever moving forward, all that constitutes culture, Sanskriti. And that is something that stays when civilizations rise and fall. The great kings and samrats and emperors have come and gone. Yet, those things, the core has remained. And that I would call Samskriti. Now, Samskriti, जीवन जीने की कला है. It is the art of living that has now become a popular phrase. But वो जीवन जीने की कला है. जीवन की विराटता को समझने की चाबी है. कई गूढ़ प्रश्नों का उत्तर है. There are answers contained in culture which are not to be answered by merely science or mathematics. The answers are found in culture. और मैंने लिखा है कि संसार और सृष्टि के साथ जुड़ने की चाबी है. It's not in your, just as you said, dance and music, whether it's folk dance, tribal dance, contemporary dance, b-boying, break dance, head dance, whatever. But all that constitutes how you live, how you think, why you behave in a certain way. ये सारी बातें संस्कृति शब्द में आती है, कल्चर में आती है. And as I said, कि आवरण बदलता जाता है. Some, like I remain Sonal, I remain this person, even if I change my clothes, even if I take off my jewelry, even if I go out as a dancer, I'm a daughter, I'm a sister, I'm a beloved, I'm a wife, I'm a teacher, I'm a guru, I'm a citizen of India. But this persona remains with all the concomitant moods, sentiments, thoughts, ideals, values. ये culture है. तो culture को समझने की जगह, I would say, one has to live culture, one has to experience culture, one has to taste culture.
And it is really important for sustaining life. Then only, if you don't know culture and if you don't experience culture, how will you?
Pankaj, life, L-I-F-E, is a 4-letter word. There are many other bad 4-letter words. This is the crux. Life is a 4-letter word, but between these 4 letters, the space and the time, life को हम कहते हैं जीवन, हिंदी में, संस्कृत में, और जीवन का असली अर्थ है पानी, जल। निरंतर प्रवाहित होता है, तरल है, लाइफ गिविंग है, नर्चरिंग है, पोषक है, एंड विदाउट जल वी डाई। ये इसका असली अर्थ है। सो व्हाई आई सेड कल्चर nourishes life, कि उसके बिना जीवन नीरस है, शुष्क है, जीवन एक डेजर्ट बन जाता है।
थैंक यू सोनल जी, वेरी ट्रू, वेरी ट्रू। बिना कल्चर के जीवन डेजर्ट ही है, सच में बिल्कुल ठीक बात है। सोनल जी, we were thinking that every country has a grand narrative of its own by which that country is known, like grand American narrative. But when we talk of grand Indian narrative, what at the best our children can think of is Bollywood or cricket, nothing else. So what do you...
आपने मुझे हंसा दिया।
So what do you think should be the grand Indian narrative by which India should be known? When anybody asks any child in the country, what are you known for? What is your grand Indian narrative? What should it be in your opinion?
ये पंकज जी, आप तो एक से एक भड़के ऐसे माउंटेनर्स पहाड़ जैसे सवाल करनी है कि इसका जवाब देते देते रात निकल जाएगी।
हमारे पास सिर्फ 1 घंटे का समय है।
आई नो, और आपने ऐसे प्रश्न खड़े किए हैं। अच्छा, आपने कहा द ग्रैंड अमेरिकन नैरेटिव। आई डोंट नो व्हाट दैट इज। इज इट हैमबर्गर? इज इट हॉलीवुड?
They talk about their history, their presidents, their independence, all that they talk about.
No, that is history. मैं यही बात अब आपसे कह रही हूँ कि अब आपने हिस्ट्री कहा, जिसको हम इतिहास कहते हैं, राइट? History is a very, very short narrative. It's sort of a short span. Only that which maybe your few generations remember. Indian narrative is about Puratan and Puran. All that is in the collective memory of centuries and millennia. अब यही तो फर्क है कि Indian civilization, कोई कहता है 10,000, कोई कहता है 12,000, कोई कहता है 50,000, and so many manvantaras, so many yugas, so many kalpas. So the sanatanta, the eternity, the word eternity, infinity, we address ourselves to that. Not to this 500, 600, 800, 2,000 years, no. These are all little, जैसे बालू के कण होते हैं ना, the dust, particles of dust. It's like that. The grand Indian narrative is about infinite space and immeasurable time. Sanatan, Shashvat, perennial. And within that, so many things happen in the wheel of time and in space. So it's a very different take, Pankaj ji, you understand what I'm saying? तो ये बातें गूगल में, विकिपीडिया में, सोशल मीडिया में, आपके एजुकेशन सिस्टम में, क्रिकेट में, बॉलीवुड में कैसे आएंगी? नहीं आ सकती। पर ये बहुत ही कमजोर दिमाग की उपज है। I'm sorry to say that. The weak minds create something that is here and now and gone tomorrow. The strong minds, Chetana, they create something that remains in time, that remains the images, the concepts. Life follows those concepts. Life follows those images, even today. अब आपने pandemic की बात की ना, I'll take you back to that. Why suddenly everyone is saying namaste? Why Prince Charles is doing namaste, Trump is doing namaste, French president is doing namaste? अरे यार, हमारे यहाँ तो वर्षों पुरानी ये है, सदियों पुराना. We had forgotten. We started saying, yo, baby, hi, dude, yo, how are you, hello. Huh? We've come back to that. We've come back to the काढ़ा पियो दिन में 4 बार, तुलसी, गोल मिर्च, फलाना, ढिमका, लौंग, इलायची. अरे बाबा, तुलसी हर एक के घर में होती थी. We worship nature, Pankaj ji, for eternity. Bharatvarsha has worshipped nature, has respected nature, whether they are mountains, whether they are rivers, oceans, desert, stone, tree, plant, flower, fruit, birds, animals. It's a vast, vast, vast canvas. So the grand Indian narrative cannot be compared with any other narrative. And this is where I think, Pankaj ji, you have a great role to play through your present,
AIU.
yes, and all AIU and all the universities have to go beyond their immediate syllabus, the job-oriented syllabus. You have to go beyond that. The mind has to open. ये विराटता क्या है और हमारे daily life में how they have entered, and we do not recognize it. But the pandemic, thank God, has brought it all back to us. Now, why are people saying, oh, families jud gaye, oh, we never knew, we never spoke to our fathers and mothers and siblings, and we sit together and we have our meals together? Lo, ये तो बहुत बड़ी बात हो गई.
That was very natural earlier.
Exactly. So there are levels, layers, and I would say that it's an existentialist, अस्तित्ववादी हमारा जो हमारी संस्कृति है. There are all these dimensions and more.
पर हमें अपने जो बच्चे हैं उनको इसके साथ जोड़ना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि अभी तक तो उनको यही लगता है कि अमेरिका बहुत अच्छा है, इंडिया के लिए तो many of them have contempt for India. तो we have to sort of attach them to India. उनको इस तरह से बताना पड़ेगा, यूनिवर्सिटीज के थ्रू, कॉलेजेस के थ्रू, स्कूल्स के थ्रू और फैमिलीज के थ्रू, that India is really a big and a culturally rich country, and you have to be proud of it. So that is the issue.
अब सारे लोग दुनिया में योगासन करने लग गए. इसी को हम कहते हैं ध्यान मुद्रा, छिन्न मुद्रा. लेकिन हमारे डांस की उसमें आता है हमसास्य. It's like the beak of the swan. योग करने लग गए. अब योग कहते हैं इंडिया का नहीं है. अच्छा नहीं है तो कहाँ का है? विचार कहाँ से आया? और योग क्यों करना? श्वास अंदर जा रहा है. If you are breathing, you are not even aware because you are on the phone. You are doing the WhatsApp. You are looking at your computer all the time. You are not aware whether your breath is going or not going, or coming out or not coming out. So अनुलोम विलोम करो. अरे अनुलोम विलोम करो. यही बात है कि अपने बच्चों को, अपने लोगों को, माँ बापों को, शिक्षकों को, everyone has to thank their fortunes, their niyati, their luck that they are born in India, and all this is given to you on a golden platter.
Yes.
आप उसको ठुकरा दो तो आपका कम भाग्य है. आप उसको ग्रहण करो, समझो, कोशिश करो, तो आप कहाँ से कहाँ पहुंच सकते हैं. I really feel, Pankaj ji, that your timely questions raise a very serious issue. I'm sorry, of the education system about which I've been talking for decades. From the time culture was separated from what you call education.
Yes.
That is the main problem. कि कल्चर नाच गाना डांस हो गया, पपेटियर हो गया, स्टेज पे जाओ कूदो, हॉलीवुड बॉलीवुड हो गया. एजुकेशन इज समथिंग सो सीरियस. ये क्या है?
Yes.
No, I really, through your medium, I want to emphasize this great mistake. It was made some decades ago. I don't want to name it. You know it. Why isn't this mistake being rectified? अभी भी समय है. कल्चर के बिना एजुकेशन, मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ, खट्टी छाछ, sour buttermilk, from which the sweetness of cultural butter has been removed.
Taken away, yes. तो आपने जब बोला कि कहाँ चले थे, कहाँ से आ गए, तो when people see celebrities like you, वो सोचते हैं देखिए कितने अच्छे हैं, पद्म भूषण मिला, विभूषण मिला, राज्यसभा की मेंबर बने, पर उनको ये नहीं पता होता कि यहाँ तक पहुँचने के लिए कितनी लंबी उन्होंने यात्रा की and how difficult it was. And I personally know that your life was full of struggle, and with sheer hard work and perseverance, you could reach this stage of your life. Would you mind sharing some of your experiences, how you reached to this level?
Yeah. I was born in a family, my grandfather, paternal grandfather, Dadaji, post-independence from 1947 onwards, he was governor of various states 4 times, 47 to 52, then 59 onwards, and so on. So Raj Bhavano mein bhi main badi hui. I mean, I have experience of government houses, all the protocols and etiquettes and whatnot. Our personal family friends, Sardar Patel, Morarji Desai, and so many, Rajan Babu, Rajendra Prasad, C. Rajgopalachari, and on the other hand, great artists who were invited to government houses. Bade Ghulam Ali Khan, Siddheshwari Bai, M.S. Subbalakshmi, Omkar Nath Thakur, so many, Uday Shankar. Pandit Ravi Shankar is my personal friend. So many others. So on one hand, it was this. After my BA, the question, as I have oft repeated, family wants to know what you will do. Continue with your German, or take up IAS, IFS, or do law, something meaningful. And I said, I want to dance. And I run away from home because Gujarati family, you can also dance, but not only dance. So this is now, this has become a legend. I ran away at the age of 18 and a half to Bangalore. Undino, Bombay se Bangalore, Akeli, on the train. And I stayed with my Guruji's house, both husband, wife, my gurus. And like that, I proceeded. So the idea of giving up dance, for which I think I was born, is a mission in my life. It never occurred. I was homeless in Delhi. Now I sit in an MP's bungalow. I was homeless in Delhi for 5-7 years. I've always lived in rented apartments. I don't have a house or a flat of my own. And I think, what will I do with my flat? Why? Fools build houses, the wise ones live in them. So, Pankajji, only to say that dance has been my guru, dance has been my guiding force, and I do believe that Bhagavati, the great goddess, the divine mother, has given a mission to everyone. If you understand your mission, you recognize and you follow that mission, you can do wonders. If you ignore, allow your head to rule your guts, then bhatakte raho. You are confused. And I'm so grateful that I followed my mission, and I am where I am, what I am, as you said, by the grace of Bhagavati and kripa of my gurus, my parents, and all you wonderful friends.
थैंक यू सोनल जी, आपकी बात सुन के मुझे एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम जी की याद आ गई. उन्होंने एक बार बोला था कि आप सपने देखो, पर सपने वो नहीं जो सोते हुए देखते हो, ऐसे सपने देखो जो तुम्हें सोने ना दे. तो आपने वैसा ही सपना देखा जिसने आपको सोने नहीं दिया, एंड द परसिवियरेंस एंड डेडिकेशन, दैट इज व्हाट व्हिच हैज ब्रॉट यू टू दिस.
I have one thing to add, Pankaj ji. मेरा सपना तब पूरा होगा when I see our culture, tribal, folk, Shastriya, classical, all kinds of cultural traditions being respected, readopted, and practiced. And the second part of that dream is I want to have all the members of parliament, Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha, to appreciate our traditions, our culture in a real way. And they are the ones who can really take it to their constituencies, who can do prachar prasar. ये मेरा बड़ा dream है, तो ये भगवती ये भी पूरा कर दे.
Now that you are a member in the upper house, I think that can be easily fulfilled now, more easily fulfilled. And
I'm trying. I'll confide in you later.
Sonal ji, मैं अपनी तरफ से last question पूछूंगी, then we will take up the questions from the audience. There are so many questions from the audience also coming up.
Sure.
Sonal ji, today many students are watching you, and when they watch any celebrity, they want to be one like them. They want to have them as their role models. वो चाहते हैं कि हम भी ऐसा ही कुछ बने. तो ऐसा ही कुछ बनने के लिए what advice you will give to the students?
पहले तो मैं कहूंगी कि ऐसा नहीं बनना है, बेहतर बनना है. The idea should not be to imitate. Idea should be to take the valid points and improve upon them and become better than them. Second, total dedication to your ideal, what you set out to do, and the capacity and the readiness to give up comfort if need be, ready to go out in the world. Recently, when it has become viral, the Karnataka boy Pratap, 21-year-old, whom our Prime Minister picked up and has appointed him in DRDO, such a great organization, Defense Research and Development Organization, yeah. So how did this happen? At 21, what that fellow learned in a village cyber cafe, prepared drones, came to IIT Delhi in rags, and then he was sent to Japan, and he changed 16 trains to reach his destination, didn't have money for the bullet train. And he presented and he was so dejected because the prizes are announced from the bottom. So 10, 9, 8, 7, like first that, and he started. And last name, Pratap from India. And it was a shock. Yes. And he saw the American USA flag coming down and Indian tricolor going up. Wow. Now this is the example, apart from me and you, for your students to understand, to appreciate, and to follow.
Yes. Thank you, Sonalji. Very well said. Very well said. Now we have many participants with us on various mediums. Some are on Zoom, some are on YouTube. There are many platforms on which this program is going live. And we are having many questions, but we have only around 20-25 minutes with us. So I'll take 3-4 questions from the participants. Now, the first question is that from last more than 5 decades, you are promoting the art of India as an Indian classical dancer. What changes you have seen throughout these years, and how do you think the culture of India has changed over the years? I mean, the one which you saw 50 years back and today, what is the difference? And over time, is it getting better, or it is deteriorating, or it is the same? What do you think?
I don't like to make quality judgments. I will only say that culture always changes. Desha kala anusari, according to the situation and the time. And if it doesn't change, it is orthodoxy, rudhi, then it will die. We have remained alive because we are prepared to change. For example, I trained as a solo dancer. My solo performances is what has brought me to this point. But the tapasya, the hard work that a solo dancer had to do, 8 hours, 6 hours, I mean, crazy. But that has given us so much physical, mental, emotional strength and suppleness to face any situation. Now, that kind of tapasya is difficult because you have to do so many projects in school and in college. My little girls have chashma, itna mota, because they are looking at the... I feel sad. But the point is, so group dancing, group choreographies have emerged. Okay. Idea of looking good, looking pretty, putting on makeup, putting on costume, and have pictures, and put your photo on Facebook, get so many thumbs up, thumbs down, you cry, thumbs up, you smile. All these things, but it does not, some things are good that a lot more people are getting chances because of the television, the variety shows, the reality shows, competitions. So many more are coming out. But there is always a pro and con, two sides. If it weakens you emotionally and physically, then you should do a rethink. A 2.5 minute bhadam, pataka on reality show, you get a check, you get the TV time, and you become a hero or a heroine. After 1 year, 6 months, where are they? You don't hear of them. So to remain constant, to remain relevant, you become irrelevant like that these days. If you are not seen on television, अरे सोनल जी, अच्छा आपने डांस छोड़ दिया क्या? हरे भगवान. अच्छा, अच्छा आपके टॉक्स आजकल नहीं हो रहे हैं, तो मैं क्या ये have I become voiceless? So we have to understand that the films and the TV serials, the interventions from the YouTube are so many. From there to navigate your own way. For that, you need a lot of emotional stability and conviction in what you're doing. ये मैं लेके चली थी तो मैं यहाँ पहुंची हूँ. आज भी कर रही हूँ. आज भी कर रही हूँ, सीख रही हूँ. ये कैसे करना, Zoom क्या है, WhatsApp क्या है, मुझे कुछ नहीं मालूम था. I've learned all that now. But not at the cost of my core talent, my core belief. That's what.
One has to be a lifelong learner, but Sonalji, because you are running a very big school center for dance, classical dance, do you think that the dedication of the students over years is increasing or decreasing, or it's almost the same?
No. Center for Indian Classical Dances, established in 1977 in Delhi. Dedication is there, but the education system, how ban ke khada? You have to get grades. If you don't get grades, the school has to also get grades. Aap to janti hai main aapse kya kahun. So I think the system is not allowing for that dedication to take real shape. And I wish, therefore, go to the root. Your education system has to change. We talked of the grand narrative of America, USA. I'll go back to that for a second. The thing about their education system, which I like very much, like in Europe also, Germany, France, and all, that you can take computative mathematics, you can also take violin playing, or ballet dance, or vocal singing, or photography, or whatever. Is unheard of here. Why? So therefore, Pankaj ji, recently, abhi ki baat hai, let me quote it for your viewers. Delhi University suddenly cut off, slashed 5% quota for the arts in admission.
Yes.
The sports quota was not slashed. So what was the message that was given? Arts and all that culture, chodo, sports karo, academics. We fought for it. And our Vice President of India, who's the Chancellor of Delhi University, I delivered letter after letter, and we wrote about it, and I got some MPs to write to him. And he, in his wisdom, thank God, he has restored the quota. Itni si baat hai, itni baat nahi hai, itni baat hai, badi baat hai.
It is a big thing, yes, of course.
So in education system, again I say, you are giving wrong messages. Until that is rectified, all other questions will remain questions.
So thanks to you that you took it up and then you restored the 5% thing. That does send a good message that yes, art and culture are important.
Of course.
Sonal ji, एक और question हमारे एक student ने पूछा है.
जी.
She's saying that the world is going through a tough time right now because of COVID pandemic. And at this time, physical as well as mental health is very, very important. So what do you think, how the art and artist can help people to overcome this situation? Actually, the question answer is built in. Obviously, art and culture will help, but we want to hear from you.
Thank you, Pankaj ji. I have written in my little Twitter and blogs that frontline Corona warriors are there for everyone to see and applaud. We are the backline Corona warriors. I myself have done at least 40 online talks since March 29th, and this is ongoing. Workshops, programs. There is no money involved. I've also created a fund, Kalakar Sahai, the freelance dancers and musicians and stagehands. Nobody's talking about them. They are hand to mouth. And they're dignified because they're artists. They're neighboring people. Their neighbors have seen them on television, on shows. Now they are hand to mouth. Nobody's talking about them. So we try to distribute, transfer, whatever we can do. I've requested you also. I've requested so many other friends. The point is that artists say, "Sab log chahte hain." What can art and artists do? What has society done for artists? I want to know.
That is
what
true.
has government done for artists in this time? What has Ministry of Culture done for artists? I want to know. I'm asking an open question. So it has to be a give and take. Artist is a person, has to eat at least once a day. Artist has a family. Artist also has physical, emotional. He's a being. She's a being. She sustains herself. She faces the hardship. She gives of herself, dances, sings, performs, teaches, free. And then what? Zero. So I just want to convey this, that we are all at it. छोटे बड़े सभी लोग बहुत कुछ कर रहे हैं. YouTube में जाइए, Facebooks में जाइए, आप देखेंगे. लेकिन समाज भी सोचे कि हम लोगों ने कलाकारों के लिए आज तक क्या किया है. हम तो कर ही रहे हैं, मरते मरते कर रहे हैं.
बिल्कुल ठीक कह रही हैं, बिल्कुल ठीक कह रही हैं. And then at times we get saddened to know कि अगर कोई फिल्म देखना है तो people spend 800-900 as a ticket. अगर कोई प्ले देखना है तो 500 रुपए का टिकट भी बहुत बड़ा लगता है. कोई डांस परफॉर्मेंस देखना है तो एक्स्ट्रा 500 रुपए, इतना महंगा.
डांस तो फ्री है, दिल्ली शहर में डांस फ्री है.
तो इन स्पाइट ऑफ दैट यू सी कि बहुत सारे बच्चे नहीं आते. और वही अगर बॉलीवुड का कोई हीरो आ जाएगा तो सब लोग दौड़ दौड़ के, बहुत सारे लोग आएंगे. तो दैट माइंडसेट हैज टू चेंज.
पंकज जी, ये ग्लैमर शब्द जो है ना, it's a harmful word, because glamour is just a smoke screen. Smoke screen ke piche, what is the reality? That our children, our young people may not know. They will only know if Hollywood jana hai, Bollywood jana hai, and what happens there. Recently, that poor guy, he committed suicide. Lot more are there in penury. But the thing is, Bollywood chhodiye. It has its own reason to exist. It was called Hindi films in my time. They were just, like any other. We were the hero and heroines. We were the heroes and heroines. All the old time actors and actresses know me. They know my name at least. They have seen me. But today's Bollywood, माफ कीजिएगा, मैं कुछ बोलना नहीं चाहती हूँ. I would only say, our young people, our children, I think, are intelligent enough to make the difference, the discretion, the vivek. Kshira, neer, vivek. पानी में से दूध निकाल लेना हंस का स्वभाव है. पानी में कीचड़ में पड़े रहना भैंस का स्वभाव है. You have to choose what you want to be.
Yes, very true, very true. Sonal ji, we have a very interesting question about your future. He says, ma'am, you have been awarded with many laurels like Padma Bhushan, Padma Bhushan, Rajya Sabha membership, and a documentary based on your life also won the National Film Award for Best Non-Feature Film. You have achieved a lot. But do you still think that there is something that you still want to learn or achieve?
Yes.
Is it something
Yes.
is left which you have not achieved so far?
Yes. Achieved, I don't know. Learn, yes. सीखना बहुत बाकी है. पाना आना मेरे हाथ में नहीं है. Right? I want to learn computer. मुझे नहीं आता है. But I don't know if I can learn now because I don't have no interest in it actually. But I may want to learn just to know how the mouse works.
Question was more targeted towards what you want to achieve more.
मैं कह तो रही हूँ मुझे learn करना है. I don't want to achieve anything. If achievements come, I have not gone after achievements. No, Pankaj ji. I've never thought कि मैं ये कर रही हूँ तो मुझे ये मिलेगा. Never. और ऐसा सोचने से कभी मिला है? नहीं मिला है. कर्म करते जाओ. भगवत गीता ये सिखाती है, कर्म करो, करते जाओ. क्या मिलेगा क्या नहीं मिलेगा उसमें आपका भाग्य भी है, आपका डेडिकेशन भी है और आशीर्वाद भी है बड़ों के. तो अचीवमेंट का मुझे मत पूछिए. आई डोंट नो दैट वर्ड. आई ओनली नो द वर्ड learn and learn and learn
and dedicate and dedicate.
Yes, yes. और हंसते रहो. That's another thing. Hello.
Yes.
I don't like. मैं कहती हूँ कद्दू मुंह मत बनाओ. Pumpkin faces, you know. Oh, so tired. Oh my God. Yeah. So what? You have to rise above all these petty things. Mind controls the body. Body is Mahachor. Body easily says, I'm tired. Mind says, stand up, get going.
Yes.
So all these things internalize karna hai. We have to internalize. We have to follow. It is a daily practice. It's a daily practice of renewing your dedication and mind above matter. And lastly, I would say, Anand. Pandemic is teaching us a lot of things.
Yes.
Pandemic has turned out to be the greatest guru of the time. I'm sorry to say that, but it is. Come to think of it.
Environment
and if we,
also.
and if we forget these lessons as we are used to forgetting, then again we will be in predicament.
Yeah.
Abhi jo seekh rahe ho, स्वस्थ रहो, ये करो, वो करो, ये खाओ, ये मत खाओ, ये पियो, सांस लो, योग करो, ध्यान करो, मेडिटेट करो, पढ़ो, लिखो. We'll forget very easily. फिर हाय तौबा, क्या हो गया, सेकंड वेव आ गया.
Sonalji, time is running out. I'll ask very quick 2 more questions only. It's already around 10 minutes bacha hai. One question somebody wants to know, a moment or an incident in your life that made you feel so proud of being an Indian.
Ayyo. Every moment.
Maybe in a foreign country or somewhere.
Having visited almost 90 countries and so many countries, so many times, you know, European countries, Australia, Latin American countries.
You have so many performances in so many places.
4-5 baar I've toured Brazil and Venezuela and Nicaragua and Panama and Mexico and America, kitni baar, and Canada and all that. Every moment, because ये मेरा खून है, ये मेरी नस में है. It's inbuilt in my DNA. And my entire career, my life has shaped me into that. मैं और कुछ हो ही नहीं सकती. So many times, please start classes here. We'll pay you this much. आप 6 महीने में एक बार आइए. Canada, America. I said, आपको सीखना है. You have to come to me. We have to go to the Guru. Guru doesn't come to us. That is India. So Guru Shishya Paramparaएं हैं, हमारे नेचर वर्शिप है, वर्शिपिंग आवर एल्डर्स है, पूजा पद्धतियां हैं, so many things are there. और रस की जो बात है ना, I would like to end, I mean रस, रस है ना, रस, टेस्ट, फ्लेवर, जिससे हमें आनंद आता है, अच्छा लगता है. So I just want to quote for your viewers a wonderful thing, how a brainy person would view the same thing and how a raswala vidwan hai will view. So Raja Bhoj was in his garden with his two great poets, Vararuchi and Kalidas, and he saw a tree which had sort of finished the life, had become, so he said, what is that? What do you see? Vararuchi said, Shushkam kashtam tishtati agre. Ta, like the AK-47. Shushkam kashtam tishtati agre. Shushka, dry wood is there. And King asked Kalidas, what do you think? What do you see? And Kalidas said, Neerasa taruvara purato bhati. Once upon a time, that great tree which is full of rasa is now bhati. Prakashman hai, fir bhi samne, purato bhati. Now, the same thing, the same tree, how the nearest vyakti perceives it, and how the one who knows how to live, how culture has impregnated the life, and how that vyakti views it.
Yes, we should know how to even appreciate an art, how to see a film, how to see a play, how to even see a painting. Because many a times we see the painting, we don't know the nuances. I mean, how do we differentiate between a good or a bad painting? So that appreciation has to be learned also. Not many of us know that.
Also, good qualities of other person, Pankajji.
Yes.
I would extend it to contact, the vibrations. How you perceive something good is rather than say,
So, last question, Sonalji. This is also again from a viewer. She's asking that any important lessons that you have learned as a successful artist and as a human being that you would like to share with us?
Yeah, the word human being is very difficult. I just wrote, in fact, I wrote, from four-legged animals, Homo sapiens stood up on two legs. Since when did we think ourselves to be the great lords and masters of this earth? Our brain exponentially grew, but also our ego and our ignorance. That has also grown. And therefore, I would say that as human beings, we have to constantly remind ourselves we are only one element of this great earth, of this solar system, and therefore of the universe. If we constantly remind ourselves, yes, I am, and yet I am that, with that. So ये parallel जो एक प्रक्रिया है ना, the thinking, parallel thinking in daily life would really put everything in a very balanced way. Our perceptions will become clear. Our ego छोटा होता जाएगा. So the fight is all between egos now, na?
Yes, that is true. That is true. So Sonalji, there are at least 5-10 more questions, but because the time is running out, I have to stop here, and maybe I'll send the questions to you and you can send the answers and we'll send to those children. So Sonalji, thank you very much. It was a wonderful session. It was a great learning experience for all the students as well as for me. So I, on behalf of Association of Indian Universities, the president of the AIU, all the governing council members of AIU and the entire university fraternity, thank you for accepting our invitation, for coming to this program and for talking to our students. Thank you
I
very
hope,
much. Thank you.
I hope you all enjoyed it and were
Yes.
not bored.
Sure. I mean, it was a great program and a great conversation. And maybe in times to come, we'll meet once again. And this was the first lecture of the series. So it has been a very, very good start for our lecture series.
What an honor, and I thank you for it, and
Thank you.
extend my prayers and best wishes that everyone remains healthy, happy, and lives a meaningful life. God
Yes.
bless.